Today, I'm going to show you how to add assignments and events to your Schoology calendar. First, you can click on this, and you can add assignment. My assignment will be a scavenger hunt, so I'll title it Scavenger Hunt, and I'm also going to click on Resource right here. And then I'll go to Apps, Google Drive app, and I can directly attach the scavenger hunt so students can see it later on. Click on this box right here, and then I go Import File. So now that file is directly in my assignment. The important part to get it on the calendar is that you need to select for availability and due dates. You need to select a date, so I'll say it's the first Friday, and I'll say it's due right at the beginning of school. Click on Create. And now that will populate in your calendar. I'll show you that after I add an event. Let's say I say, oh, practice test. I'll say it is for the following Friday. Click on the 14th, save changes. And now when I go to the Schoology calendar, and I go to September, I will see that now that scavenger hunt and practice test that I just made in my course now appear on the calendar.